Spirit, y'all.
Ah! Howdy y'all, Joe here. No, Joe here from Nashville, Tennessee. Wow, no. Oh, you're
Oh,
recording!
nice.
I'm live streaming.
Alright.
Wait, what's going on? Why is Clutch saying shiz?
I'm back. And instead of just immediately flying off the edge, I'm gonna actually be
Yes.
here with the peeps.
Okay, guys, let's go and fight the Ender
Let's
Dragon.
go fight the dragon!
Hey, Ranger, you have a aha thingy. Remember to
Yeah.
look at the Ender Dragon with it. Look at the Ender Dragon with
Alright.
it.
Oh my god, this is so fun.
I'll
can
get
just
some
Look
crystals.
at Enderman right
I'm going after one of them.
You guys are doing great. I just hope you know that.
Okay.
Nice, I got one. I'm gonna set up some panic zones.
I just got the one in the.
Oh, I got one.
That's one left, I think. Is that one left? Yeah, that's only one left. Okay, got the last one.
Okay.
Okay, hit the dragon.
I can't see him, so.
The dragon is in the middle.
Oh, I see him now. Yeah.
No, Clutch died!
Alright, I got 20.
Oh no!
Is he gonna.
Oh wait,
I have a kill that I can clutch with.
We should have placed a bed in the stronghold, so we at least we don't need to go all the way back to our base.
Doesn't he, like, land at some point?
Yeah, but if you have
Wait, I think he's coming in for the perch. No?
No, not yet.
What are you doing, mister?
Oh, I keep missing my shots.
So maybe it's not the
Wait. I gotta save my 20 arrows.
I'm the crossbow guy! With cross applesauce! Ah.
Why ain't you landing? Get down here. Come on.
Oh, I just scratched his tail. Or her tail.
Yeah, it's more for her dragon since it lays an egg.
The name is Jean,
is
right? Her name's Jean.
Actually, fun fact, I can't remember the name of the Ender Dragon, but it's not called the Ender Dragon or Gene. It's called something very long.
Guys, I didn't install the texture pack, and so you both look like an error texture. With no
Yeah,
armor.
I don't have it installed either.
Lol.
I just deal with it, you know.
Come on, do the purge!
We'll try and get some endies.
Why is the dragon being so boring?
Okay. Ender Dragon, you know you want to get hit by these shots. Like, I literally just used all my shots and missed most of them.
Ooh, nice. 2 Ender Pros. Finally! Are you kidding me? This
Okay,
Ender Dragon, bro.
Guys, I gotta say, this is the most riveting Ender Dragon fight I think I've ever been a part of.
Hey, I hit it a few times. Bring in
Oh,
fire.
God.
Almost shot whoever's flying.
Gotta hide under the safety
Come
platform.
on, Ruiz, it's sending me instead of the dragon.
Someone assist. I got like 3 endies on me.
Oh my god, I'm terrible at this.
Oh, I flew high. I can't believe I can touch the sky, man. Okay, going back against the Ender Dragon.
3 Ender Pros.
Am I the only one who's actually flying against?
Is he finally coming in for the
I think
perch?
you are.
Are you kidding me? This is taking
okay.
flipping forever.
Come on! You gotta be kidding me!
See,
Hold
the
on, I
problem
have an
is
idea.
I can't actually see what I'm shooting at. Because it is pumped.
Cub perch. Gene, for the love of God. Oh God.
Come on.
Ah!
You know you want to.
Getting constantly assaulted by the Enderman.
And now, man, down? Oh no. Come on, I just want to hit you a few times. Oh my gosh. Oh no, I accidentally hit it.
Yeah, anyone who's being attacked by an Enderman, stay under the safe zone.
I'll
We
never.
have a little safe zone. Oh my God, Gene!
Hello.
Bro, Gene.
Then I angered 3 Endermen.
Why is he under?
What is
dragon
wrong with this
guys?
dragon? I don't understand.
Maybe we should just go home.
Okay, healing. Back after it? Oh jeez, you keep making me fly, Mr. Dragon, or Mrs. Dragon. I almost hit that.
I try and get a
I'll
better
hit it
vantage point.
eventually, right?
Eventually.
R.I.P. my arrows. Oh no.
Oh my god, I missed it again.
Yeah, I hit it once. I hit it once.
Oh
Dude, my
god.
arrows, bro.
Nice. Okay. Nice clubs.
I got it, guys. I hit it once. I can say I participated.
Nice.
Okay, I also hit it a few more times.
Oh,
Oh, no,
watch me
it's a
block
fire-
clutch, guys.
This is very
No way.
embarrassing. My ego is being destroyed.
Oh,
by
come
this
on.
dragon.
All right, I have a better
Really?
vantage point to shoot from.
This crossed applesauce. Die. Come on, stop hitting me, Dragon.
I contributed something, guys.
Yeah, I can
I
see
hit the
that
dragon. I
button,
contributed something. I don't know, Fog.
Got it again. Alright,
Oh.
I'm going in a circle.
My
so if
arrows, I have
just
16.
aim here.
Good
I have the
Ranger,
materials for a bow.
And Ranger, how have you only hit it like once? Your name is literally Ranger, and you have only hit it once, like almost.
Hit it again.
Ah, that was me.
Oh, was it? Shoot.
This
Yeah,
dragon,
I-
dude.
On! Literally in the middle of your stomach. Okay, there?
No, because it's not perching.
Okay, I hit it again.
This is the most annoying
Okay.
dragon I think I've ever seen.
Oh!
I'm almost out of arrows. This is so annoying.
Okay, I'm
There, I
coming
helped.
back
I
in.
helped. I helped.
Coming back in. Have it. Ah!
Let me just mine obsidian real quick.
Yeah, and I
This
have
is
a...
extremely anticlimactic. This is
Gets
sad.
hit by the dragon. This is infuriating. Dude, it lagged.
Because I had to go into the inn for some reason. With shaders. I'm even using shaders. Oh jeez! You're sending me fly! You're flying?
No, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. No.
Oh jeez!
Am I the only person who hasn't taken damage?
Maybe.
It's... Oh, okay. Shish, you and me, we're the best.
Yeah,
Oh!
I've died twice.
You guys say when you guys literally not flying like a bird and hitting the dragon.
I know,
Does
I'm just
anyone
letting you
have
know.
any more arrows? I have 8.
I felt like it went very well whenever we had the song on. Oh, okay. It's almost dead. Okay, gotta heal.
I'm assuming nobody brought beds, right?
Yes. Okay.
Let's go.
Oh, I got the dragon head.
Oh, I wanna click those so bad.
Oh, I went through.
Yeah!
Wait. Oh!
Ow.
I spawned the dragon and I'm not even there! I spawned the dragon again and I'm not even there! I spawned the dragon again. Wait. Did I actually spawn the dragon? Why is it not spawning?
That's a great question.
Just be spawning.
Who wants to go end? I mean, I can go end busting. I don't think I have anything to do.
I'll go end busting,
I mean,
yeah, sure.
I could go build my hangar. My airport still needs a whole lot of work.
Well,
I'll go end busting. I don't even have an elytra, let alone diamond gear.
Ow.
oh well.
God, bro!
Ah. Well, now I got 2 heads from, no, 3 heads. I got a Ender Dragon head, I got a Phantom head, and I got a Gel head. Ah, jeez.
I have 20
Dan, I bet I
bread.
could murder you right
I
now.
don't know if I'm super prepared for end
I
busting.
bet I could. Ow. No, I didn't. That wasn't a threat. You didn't have to kill me for that. I was just saying that.
I take everything as a threat.
Well, I guess I'm not going end busting, guys.
Hey, Ranger. Take this. You can take one of those. I have 2 of those. Okay.
Thank you.
Now you're my ender friend, okay? Ender friender. Ooh, nice parrot. A
So
parrot made.
fog, shish, and scan all look like the missing texture.
Oh gosh. How about now?
Oh hey, scan, you're back. You're back to your normal self.
I'm not back. I'm
It's your
Scandinavian gamer.
armor. I didn't install the texture pack, so now your
Yes.
armor looks
Yeah.
freaking.
Don't take
Yay,
shit.
fog, you're back.
Ooh, it's
Hey,
Yay.
hey, parrot, may I just hold the egg for 1 second? This one the achievement.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna try and get some Endermen.
Ooh, it's a
So you
glow
might want to
ranger.
either get to the middle of the platform or
Now what
let's
are
see
you
if I
doing?
can grab some
Bye.
Endermen. Gross.
Just kidding. I'm just kidding.
Cover your ears. We'll take the Ender Pearl scanner now.
Oh, I can take my pumpkin off. I
Okay,
don't
there
need
we
to
go. I have
take mine
5 Ender Pearls now. I have no water, 20 food, and some wood. Is that enough to go in busting?
I don't know.
Oh,
Let
and
me just go. Let me just go into Nether and kill some gas real quick, and then we
I
can
need
do it
an
again.
elytra.
Oh jeez. Okay.
Alright.
I should have straightened Nether. No, in the end.